What's going on? Huh? See, my mom and daddy just left. Yeah. No, you all have to be quiet. Yeah, you have to stay in your crates for a little bit longer. You got a friend arriving in a short while. Yeah. Yeah. Jack, honey. Oh my goodness, I know, I'm sorry, but he's a baby. He'll get scared. Just another half hour. It's not the end of the world, you guys. Yeah, it's not. It's not. He says, whoa, where are you going? She says, can I get out of here now? Where's your buddy? There he is. There he is. We're not doing that. Hopefully there's remote. Just ignore that. I wonder if it's going to rain. I need to put the umbrellas up. I wonder if you'd like the swimming pool. Lizzie would. Okay, just ignore that. I think you should get out of the hot sun. Maybe I'll put the umbrellas up. That's what I'll do.